How to turn on Incognito mode in Bumble. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can browse it without knowing or giving any hint to other people. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the left bottom, you can see this profile icon. Simply tap on this profile icon. Now, here on the right top, tap on Settings. Now, we are in the Settings interface. Here, you'll be able to find different options available. So, slowly scroll down. Here, there's a section called Incognito mode for dates. So, you can simply tap on it and enable it. So, again, tap on Turn on Incognito mode. Now, in order to get this, first you must buy a premium version. Unless you have a premium version, you won't be able to get it. So try buying it and you'll be able to surf through people and even check out different people easily. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.